I would recommend using that as the booty barrier. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Sasha, and I normally do videos with my daughter Arella, who is 19 months old, but in today's video I will be doing what you pack in your hospital bag in 2021. And today's video is also my first collaboration with my mommy friend Denise, who is also a toddler mom, and she's actually due for her second baby boy very soon. She will also be doing what's packed in her hospital bag, so make sure you guys check out our page. I will post everything right here and again below in the description box, so head on over, show her some love, and definitely check out her video. Okay, so I have my hospital bag right here, and I have everything that you will need for mommy and that you will need for a new baby as well. Starting with mommy, just so that you have everything prepared and you're ready to go, you will need a comfy outfit to go home with. So this is something loose and it won't be pressed up against your skin, especially if you just had a C-section. You don't want anything tight and uncomfortable, so something loose, preferably sweats, a loose t-shirt, and a little light sweater if you need, so that you are totally ready and comfortable to go home. You will also need some comfy pajamas for in the hospital, depending on the season and what time of the year it is. I will also suggest using a nightgown because this is just easy slip on and everything is loose and flowy over there, so you'll be super comfortable. But packing a pair of very comfortable pajamas so that when you shower and get changed up, you're just clean and comfortable for the night and you can sleep fresh in your home clothes. I will suggest packing a tank top as well, so that you can kind of use this as a nursing tank. You just kind of slip it down and you can feed baby very easily. And again, it's very light and it won't be heavy on like your body that just came fresh out of giving birth. And then you will also want to pack a nursing bra. This is really good for easy access, again, for feeding baby, and it will keep everything secure. If you're experiencing leaking, you can tuck your nursing pad inside your bra and everything is just leak proof and you're comfortable in your nursing bra. I personally didn't wear a bra right after because my milk didn't come until 3 days later, but just making sure that you have that with you in case you need your nursing bra, and then nursing pads if you're experiencing leakage. But for most, we just don't get our milk until the second or third day, so that's just optional, the nursing pads, and I believe you can also get them at the hospital as well. So just make sure that you ask for as much as possible when you're there, so that you would just get the advantage of getting everything that you can. I would also suggest packing your hair tie. Extras would also be good as well, just so that if you happen to break one, or if you misplace it, or if you just kind of need another one to make your ponytail tighter, hair ties is really good just to keep your hair out of the way when you're sweaty after giving birth and keeping everything out of your face. Along with being sweaty after birth, you will want your shower products so that after you shower you can freshen up. So deodorant, your face wash. You will also want to brush your teeth, toothbrush, and then walking with your toothpaste as well, so that you just have everything together, and then you can do your regular little routine like brush your teeth, wash your face, lotion up your skin. And then don't forget to pack your moisturizer so your face isn't dry, and then your body lotion so that you can have, you know, your skin moisturized after your shower. You will also want to pack some lip balm. This is so important because your mouth gets dry and your lips get dry. And just a little side note, this is like the best lip balm I've found ever. This is the Carmex SPF sunscreen lip balm. I love this and it smells so good, so I would recommend getting this. But just walking with your favorite lip balm, lip gloss, anything to keep your lips moisturized. You can also use Vaseline as well, and I know they do provide that at the hospital. You will also want to walk with your reusable water bottle so that you can continuously fill it up with water. You can also fill it up with ice chips if you need that as well. This is good so that you're not walking back and forth constantly to the water machine to fill up your water, and it will keep everything nice and cool because you do get thirsty and Sometimes if you're in labor for a while, you just want to have your water accessible, and I find that the reusable ones are perfect. And then you might also want to pack some extra snacks and hydration drinks like some Powerade, Gatorade. This is good for your electrolytes and just giving you that little energy boost with the sugar inside so that you kind of ready to go give birth, because after that it's super hard to sleep because you're just excited and the adrenaline and everything's so fresh in you. Any replenishing drinks would be really nice to have and just boost your electrolytes right back up. Along with your clothing, you will want to pack your undergarments. So when you shower, you have your undies. These are actually the ones that I used when I was giving birth to my daughter. They're huge because you do get that diaper after because you're bleeding, and it just holds everything in really good, and you're still pretty large after because like the belly weight is still pretty much there or halfway. So your nice cozy comfy undies would be perfect to have with you. And then you will also want to pack your phone charger. Your phone charger is so important because you will constantly be on your phone, probably notifying family members or on your social media apps, and social media apps tend to drain your battery life. The battery life is so important to have because you want to take pictures or just be able to call people, so make sure you have your charger. And especially if you have a charger with the longer cords, that's even better, so that you can have like it reach around and you're not like struggling to find anywhere to plug it in. It will always be easy for you to plug in and still use your phone at the same time. You will also need your robe so that you can cover up and put it over your pajamas. I know some ladies will have to walk around the hospital to kind of get those steps into induced labor, so having your robe to cover up, and especially if you're feeling kind of cold and shivery, this is nice to kind of cover with, and it's just good to have to throw over your PJs, especially if you do walk with your nightgown in the summertime. Your robe will be excellent for just throwing over. I want to pack some easy slip-on shoes, so something that's really fast and easy to put your feet into. Having a pair of slip-on shoes with you would be perfect. House slippers work as well, flip-flops if it's summertime, anything just easy and accessible to put your foot into, that would be the perfect thing to pack. You will also want to pack your socks. Your feet tend to get a little cold and your body temperature is just kind of all over the place, so packing your socks and having extra socks with you is a very good idea. That way, if your feet are kind of sweating and it kind of sweats through a pair of socks, you can put your other ones on, or if your feet are cold, you can kind of double up and put 2 pairs of socks on. Now that we're going through the whole pandemic stuff, you will want to walk with your mask and possibly extras as well. That way, if you happen to misplace yours, or if your family member that's with you can't find theirs for some reason, and I know that they will probably have these at the hospital, but just so that you have your own. I would also suggest, if you have a comfortable pillow that you really like using, take that with you as well. Having something from home, if you like that, so your pillow or your blanket, that's another good idea to pack with you. And then also you might want your makeup bag with you, because some ladies, I know they have the time to get ready. I personally went into labor like very last minute, so I didn't get to get ready or even pack my makeup with me, but I know that taking your makeup with you could be a very good idea, so that if you're taking pictures or if you have family members, well, they're not coming to see you now because of the whole COVID stuff, but if you're FaceTiming and you just want those memories where you're not looking super sweaty and tired after just pushing out a baby, packing your makeup bag is a very good idea so that you can feel like yourself again. Totally forgot to mention this with moms. You will also need your wallet. This is like one of the most important things that you need, because you need your health card, you need your IDs, anything important you will have in here. It's good to have your bank card as well if you want extra funds, and if you want to go to the snack machine and like you need that wallet with you, so don't forget your ID and wallet. And yeah, that wraps up everything that you need for mommy. And now onto items that you will need for baby. Baby onesie. So this is good for getting them dressed up in that nice little warm outfit after they come out, and they will just be covered from head to toe, because you will also have your hospital hat with you or your own hat, but their head will also need to be covered. So just having your full outfit and then your going home outfit, another onesie, anything that you want to take them home with, but a going home outfit. This is the one that Arella actually came home with, those little sweater shirt, and then came with the pants, and then she had the little socks and the hat, and then the onesies. And then you might also want to walk with extra clothes as well, because baby might be spitting up, and just because they're new and sometimes you want to take those pictures, but walking with extra clothes for baby is a good idea. You will also need burp cloth. So this is good for wiping under the neck for keeping baby clean and fresh, or if you're feeding them, you can also put it under the chin to prevent any leakage of the milk and kind of piling up there. So your burp cloths and extras is a good idea. And then also walking with your baby swaddle. I would recommend walking with a couple swaddles, so that way if it does get spit up on, then you can switch into your clean swaddle and then you just have extras with you just in case. Swaddling is super important after they come out because they have those reflexes that need to be soothed, and this is just perfect for them being swaddled. And then you also want a thicker blanket as well, so you can cover baby up when they're in the car seat and put it over them if they're laying down in the hospital while you're still up watching them, because you just want them to be warm and cuddled up, and having something nice and thick to prevent the wind from flowing in when you're going to the car from the hospital after when you're ready to go home. It's good to have your blanket with you just to kind of cover up that car seat and make sure no cold air or wind is blowing on your super new fresh baby. For baby as well, you will also want to walk with your diapers. I know that they provide these at the hospital, but just having your own so that you can change baby. They don't use the washroom that frequently, but packing your own diapers is a very good idea. And then your baby wipes as well, so that you can have extras, and especially if you need to kind of wipe anything up, they're good for having on the go for ourselves. Vaseline as well. This is good for using on baby's bum just to create that barrier so that pee or the poop, especially the first poo, since it's kind of black and sticky, it is not sticking to their bum. This is just really good to have everything slide right off and onto the diaper. So I would recommend using that as the booty barrier. And now that we are going through the whole coronavirus situation, you will also need your hand sanitizer. Little mini portable hand sanitizers are good so that you can just keep your hands clean at all times. Maybe extras so that you can give one to your family member or your partner, depending on who you're there at the hospital with. These are just really good to have now, especially with everything. You're not sure what you're touching, and you're going to be touching new babies, so you want your hands to be clean all the time. After washing, it would be very good to sanitize. And for mom as well, some little candies so that you can keep your mouth fresh. You can chew on these, especially if you're giving birth and your mouth's a little bit dry and you can't really eat before giving birth. So having these little candies to chew on and keep everything kind of fresh in there is a very, very good idea. And extras that you might want to pack is a camera. So this is actually my daughter's play camera because it's so old now, and my sister's gonna see this video like, play camera? I gave that to you guys to use and you're taking it as a play camera? Sorry. But yeah, this is a good idea to pack a camera with you so that you can take pictures, or if you have those little Polaroid cameras, anything for memories. I know a lot of people have phones now, but a lot of people also like using cameras to take pictures too. So if you have someone who can do that, I would recommend packing it just to have in case, so that you can keep those precious memories with you forever. It would be an awesome idea just to have that. And yeah, that wraps up everything that you need in your hospital bag. I think I covered everything that you need for mom and baby and extras. If you also would like little entertainment things like maybe a word search puzzle, you can download apps on your phone. I don't know if you like reading, you can get some books or anything like that to keep yourself entertained and occupied while you're in labor ready to give birth. That wraps up today's video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed and find things in this video useful. I hope you can use this video to pack your baby bag as well. Now that things are a little bit different and stressful, this might hopefully help relieve that stress so that you can virtually pack your bag with another mom. Thank you guys again for watching. If you haven't already, please check out our other videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.